Imagine a world where you can control every aspect of your home with a single, sleek device mounted on your wall. Today, we're diving into Apple's newest innovation in smart home technology, a wall-mounted AI tablet that combines all your smart home needs into one powerful device. It's got Siri, AI-driven controls, and even FaceTime, all designed to keep you connected and in control like never before. Is this Apple's answer to the Amazon Echo Show and Google's Nest Hub? Let's find out. So, Apple's next big reveal is coming soon, and it's unlike anything we've seen from them before. Codenamed J490, this device is rumored to be announced as early as March, and it's designed as a central command for the smart home. From turning on your lights and adjusting your thermostat to handling video calls and even managing apps, this AI-powered wall tablet has the potential to transform how we live at home. What makes Apple's device so unique? Well, first, let's talk design. Imagine a square iPad, about the size of two iPhones placed side by side. It has a 6-inch touchscreen, a built-in camera, internal speakers, and get this, a rechargeable battery. Apple's going for a streamlined, minimalist look with options in both silver and black. This device isn't just about looks, though. It's built to be intuitive and easy to use, with a voice-first approach powered by Siri and Apple's new AI system, Apple Intelligence. Speaking of Apple Intelligence, this device will have features that set it apart from the rest of the smart home market. Apple Intelligence allows the tablet to process commands using AI, giving it precise control over tasks and apps. Imagine asking Siri to dim your lights, play your favorite music, and pull up your calendar for tomorrow's schedule, all seamlessly and intuitively. Now, let's talk about functionality. This isn't just a glorified tablet. It's designed to become the heart of your home. It's packed with Apple's ecosystem apps like FaceTime for quick video calls, news for real-time updates, and even a web browser. Plus, it integrates with HomeKit, Apple's home automation platform, so you can control third-party smart devices like thermostats, security cameras, lights, and more. This central hub could make the tablet essential in any room, from the kitchen to the living room to the bedroom. Apple also has some innovative tech under the hood. For example, the device has sensors that can detect your distance. Imagine walking into a room, and as you get closer to the screen, it switches from showing the temperature to giving you access to your music controls or weather updates. It's all about making interactions smarter and more personalized. Why does Apple want to compete in this space? Right now, Amazon's Echo Show and Google's Nest Hub dominate the smart home market, but Apple's always been about doing things differently and doing them better. With the addition of their advanced privacy and security features, Apple is betting on a seamless, secure experience that will appeal to their loyal customer base. Now, a quick word about managing multiple accounts online. If you're someone who uses multiple online profiles, whether it's for social media management, e-commerce, or freelancing, having a tool to manage them securely is a game changer. That's where Go Login comes in. Go Login is the best browser for multi-accounting, letting you switch between profiles without the hassle or risk of triggering security flags. Whether you're managing accounts for work or personal use, Go Login makes it seamless and secure. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Back to Apple's new device. It's rumored to run on a specially designed operating system called Pebble, with a customizable home screen for quick access to the apps you use most. This could mean widgets for stocks, the weather, your upcoming appointments, and even a dock to launch favorite apps right from your wall display. And if you're wondering about future updates, Apple is already working on an upgraded version of this device. Some rumors suggest that a higher-end model will feature a robotic arm that adjusts the screen's position, almost like having a smart home assistant with an AI personality. This advanced version might be priced at around $100, but the standard model will be much more affordable, competitive with devices like the Echo Show and Nest Hub. What's Apple's vision here? Apple wants to make this device an everyday part of our lives, a companion in every room of the house that you can interact with several times a day. Picture using it as a recipe assistant in the kitchen, a video calling device in your living room, and even an intercom system that lets you talk to family members across the house. And since it's part of Apple's HomeKit ecosystem, this device can manage everything from security cameras to lights and door locks, delivering peace of mind with Apple's signature focus on privacy. But there's more. Apple is said to be exploring smart attachments, like a wall mount to fix the device in place or a speaker base that amplifies its sound quality. This flexibility means the device could work well in various spaces around your home, from your nightstand to your kitchen countertop. What could this mean for Apple's future? For Apple, this product represents a chance to finally make a strong entrance into the smart home space, a market where they've lagged behind until now. It's also a way for Apple to showcase their AI capabilities, positioning them as a serious competitor to Amazon, Google, and other tech giants in the connected home arena. If Apple's able to deliver on all these features while keeping the price competitive, this could be a game changer for smart homes. We're looking at a future where Apple's AI wall tablet might become as iconic as the iPhone or iPad. So, what do you think? Is Apple's AI-powered home hub something you'd want in your home? Are you excited about the possibility of controlling your entire smart home with a single device? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's latest tech, be sure to subscribe for more updates on everything trending in tech and beyond.